Our partnership with Finat is extremely important to us. The relationship was established in 1990 and it's been growing from strength to strength ever since. We truly value it, and what we get out of it as Labelexpo is that Finat really helped give us direction in terms of where the industry is going, new initiatives that are happening, market trends, and in return we really do try to help promote Finat as much as possible in terms of membership and any other feedback that we can give to them.
The Label Advisory Board bring together representatives of the exhibitors of Labelexpo Europe show. We have Finat top-level people in the Labelexpo Advisory Board, and of course Tarsus as the owner of Labelexpo. What's
happened recently is that this Labelexpo Advisory Board, has grown considerably. So we've brought together now Labelexpo, Finat, and also 6 different exhibiting companies, and we've formed a much wider board. And the idea behind it is to really give the exhibitors an opportunity to give us feedback to help us constantly improve the show.
We have 2 objectives in the Labelexpo Advisory Board, which is on one side represented the interests of the exhibitors and the visitors of the Labelexpo, and of course we want to maintain and improve the overall quality and the reputation of the Labelexpo Europe show.
Is that the lab really do help us with new initiatives for the show, market trends again, and looking at feature areas together. So all about really just making sure that this show is the best in the industry and serves the industry to the highest possible standard.
For the next Labelexpo Europe show, we will see a lot of small improvements and bigger improvements which increase the information flow to the visitors. It will be easier to find the right information on the exhibition. We will have more comfort zones. We will have more meeting points. We will have better caterings. And of course, the overall conditions in the expo zone will be much more improved.
This year, Labelexpo will be the biggest show that we've ever had. There'll be 600 or just under 600 exhibitors this year. Digital technology will be a big highlight again, as it was in 2013, with even more exhibiting companies from the digital arena. We've also have more package printing on show at this year's show than we've ever had before. The existing exhibitors are showing more packaging solutions, flexible packaging mainly, but also some folding cartons. And we also have a lot of smart interactive labels on show. So we want to make sure we're showing the next generation of labelling as well as what's happening in the industry at the moment. We want to show the future. So we have a new feature area called the Smart Packaging Lab, where intelligent and interactive labels will be on show. We also have a packaging design studio where we'll have designers displaying the latest trends in packaging design.
I think that the label converters have to go to Labelexpo Europe. It's the world biggest show where you can see all segments of our industry and collect all information which are available on our market. You have a very big platform for networking, and you can find all kinds of suppliers there. It's definitely a must to be there.
We have visitors from over 130 countries that attend. And what's great about Labelexpo is that the exhibitors, so the supplying companies to the industry, they save a lot of their new launches, the new innovations, to launch it at this show. So as a label converter, you can be guaranteed that if you come and visit Labelexpo, you really will see the very, very latest that's on offer in the industry in terms of technology and innovation.